Hi, welcome. Many times we understand what someone is saying to us in English, but when we try to reply, we get confused about using English words. For example, to and for often confuse us. Therefore, in this video, I am going to explain when do we use to and for correctly in our day-to-day life conversations. Before that, please look at these examples and guess which one is the correct sentence. He is studying hard for the exam. He is studying hard to pass the exam. Don't worry, you will learn to identify the correct and incorrect sentences by the end of this video. Okay, shall we begin? Keep in your mind, to and for both are prepositions. Use to in these cases. First one, to is frequently used when we indicate the destination and usually there is a movement involved. For example, I am going to the market. He is going to Chennai tomorrow. We are going to the zoo this evening. In these examples, market, Chennai, zoo are the destinations. So we use to before destinations to indicate the specific destinations. Second one, we use to when telling time in the following ways. For example, it's 4:45, meaning it's 4:45. The train arrives at 4:45. It's 5:05, meaning 4:55. Meeting starts at 5:05 sharp. In each of these examples, to indicates that the time is approaching the next hour. Third one, we use to when mentioning the distances to indicate the end point of a measurement, essentially saying that from one point to another point. For example, the distance from Warangal to Hyderabad is 147 kilometers. The hospital is 2 kilometers to the railway station. It means that the hospital is located 2 kilometers in the direction of the railway station. My home to office is 5 kilometers. It means that the distance from the home to office is 5 kilometers. In each of these examples, to indicates the direction of the distance. Fourth one, we use to in comparisons to indicate a similarity or differences in between two things. For example, this place is cleaner to that one we visited last year. This cake tastes sweeter to me than the one we had yesterday. The new phone is small when comparison to older models. I prefer cooking to eating. If you observe in these examples, generally to is used to compare two things directly. Fifth one, we use to in giving to indicate the recipient or the person receiving something from someone. For example, he gave the bike to his brother. She donated money to charity. I offered my seat to an old man. In these examples, to is used to show who received something. Sixth one, we use to in reason to indicate the purpose or explanation for something. For example, he is studying hard to pass the exam. I came to Hyderabad to work. In each of these examples, to is used to provide a reason or explanation for something. Next one, for. Use for in these cases. First one, we use for in benefits to indicate the purpose or advantage of something. For example, walking is good for your heart. Meditation is helpful for reducing stress. Fruits are good for our health. In each of these examples, for is used to indicate the benefit of something. Second one, we use for to indicate the period of time during which something happened, occurs or continues. For example, she has been studying for 2 hours. You have 10 minutes for the test. We are going on vacation to Agra for 2 weeks. In each of these examples, for is used to specify the length of time involved. Third one, we use for in schedules to show specific date or time. For example, the doctor's appointment is for next Monday. He is available for a call between 2 to 3 p.m. In each of these examples, for is used to indicate the specific day and time. Fourth one, we use for to show we agree with someone, something. For example, I am for the new idea. I am for my friend in the elections. In each of these examples, for is used to indicate to whom you are giving the support. Fifth one, we use for to show that we are doing something to help or benefit someone. For example, she is cooking food for her family. I am buying groceries for my family. He is working hard for his children's future. In each of these examples, for shows that the action is intended to help or benefit someone. Sixth one and last one, we use for to give reason or explanation for something. For example, the flight was delayed for technical reasons. I came to Hyderabad for a new job. As you can see, in sixth, to or for can be used for a reason. But remember one golden rule, to is always with a verb and for is always with a noun. Here is a good example. I came to Hyderabad to work. I came to Hyderabad for a new job. Grammatically, they are both correct, but they are slightly different. I came to Hyderabad to work. In this example, emphasizes the intention or action of working. But I came to Hyderabad for a new job emphasizes the reason or purpose of the trip. But in earlier examples I have given in the video, only one is correct, another one is wrong. Let's have a look which one is correct and which one is wrong. He is studying hard for pass the exam. He is studying hard to pass the exam. He is studying hard to pass the exam is the correct sentence. He is studying hard for pass the exam is the wrong sentence, because in this sentence for is used before the verb pass instead of to. As per the golden rule, to is always with a verb and for is always with a noun. So this is the correct sentence and this one is the incorrect sentence. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe before leaving this video.